Have you checked how many hours you have used your favorite Android apps? Are you curious? Here is the tutorial. First, go to your Android settings. Then if you are a Samsung phone user, open the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls menu. Here you will immediately see which apps you use most often today, along with the usage times. For more info, tap on it, then tap View All in the app list. That way, all the apps you have used today, along with the time of use, will appear. If you want to control the usage time of a particular app, use this App Timer menu. Select any app you want to limit, then tap Set Timer. Set the usage restriction, whether you want it to be every day or only on certain days. Then also set the duration of the usage limit. That way, if you have reached the usage time limit, a goodbye warning like this will appear, and you will not be able to open the app again until tomorrow. To restore the app usage as before, return to the App Timers menu. Then tap the three dots in the upper right corner here, tap the Delete option, then delete the app from the restriction list. Done. That's how to check and control the app usage time on an Android phone. Easy, right? Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.